Hey everyone, new 12 tomatoes recipe here. This is a delicious 5 cheese rigatoni pie. Start by boiling a pound of rigatoni, but undercook it about 9 minutes of boiling total because it will bake later. Shred your cheeses, a cup and a half each of Gruyere, Fontina, Mozzarella, and shred a cup of Parmesan if it's not pre-shredded. Mix all the cheeses together. Then you're going to melt a half cup of butter in a skillet. Add garlic, cook that about a minute, and then a quarter cup of flour. Whisk that until it's golden brown, then add 2 cups of milk. You're going to cook that until it's thickened nicely, and then add a quarter cup of mascarpone as well. Add in all your cheeses except for a cup and a half because that'll go on top later. Melt that all together. Add a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg and season to taste with salt and pepper. In a 9-inch springform pan, stand the rigatoni straight up and fill the entire pan. Pour your delicious creamy sauce over the rigatoni and use a spoon to make sure it gets into the holes. Top with your remaining cup and a half of cheese. Cover it with foil, but make sure to dome it so that cheese doesn't stick to it, and bake for 30 minutes covered and 15 minutes uncovered. Top with parsley if you so desire, and you have a delicious pasta pie with so many cheeses.
"12 tomatoes."